This is how you can speed up or slow down a video in Filmora, and later I'm going to show you how you can make this effect look a lot cooler. So I have this video that I got from YouTube of someone riding a bicycle, and I want to just add a slow down effect on a certain section of the video. So let's just do that. I'm going to drag this video into the project timeline, and I'm going to play it a bit so you will know which area that I'm going to slow down. So this is the video. Okay, he's jumping right there. I want to slow down that section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically isolate that section. I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to clip it and until this area. And basically this section, I'm going to click on it, go to speed, and then here you can adjust the speed of the video. So if you increase the number, it will be faster. If you reduce the number, it will be slower, or basically slow motion. So let's set it to 0.3 or something. Okay, that's the result. Now I'm going to play the whole video again, and this is the result. Well, it's a bit choppy, but that's definitely slower. Again, if you want to make it faster, you can always increase the number like this one. I'm going to increase it to by 1.5. And you can see that everything now runs a lot faster. And there you go. Now, that's good, but there is something better. If you want to make a somewhat cinematic looking of speeding up or slowing down a video, then here's how you can do it. So I'm going to undo everything, or I guess I have to remove all the clips in this video. Let's start all over again. Now, I want to try using a different video. So I have this video of I guess this is a drone footage of buildings, and it looks okay, but it's kind of boring because it's very monotone. Now let's add some speed ramping effect to make it a lot more cinematic. Now let's click on the video and then navigate to video, navigate to speed, and then click speed ramping. And then here you can see that there are multiple profiles that you can select. So I'm going to show you, let's say, one effect. Let's try maybe this one. Now, as you can see, the length of the video has changed, and this is basically the result. It's slow, and then it's going to fast a little bit, and it's slowing down, and it's back to normal. So I think that's probably one effect that you might have seen a lot of times in movies, and that's definitely a lot more cinematic. And of course, you have the opportunity to always customize the speed. So I can, for example, I can make it faster in this area, I can make it slower here, I can make it faster again. It's really up to your imagination on how the video should be played. And if you want to add more item, like add more points, you can click on this plus button, and as you can see now the point has been added. And let's play the result, and I think this is going to be interesting. So yeah, that's basically how you can speed up or slow down a video in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to let me know that this method works for you. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.